Before we begin the demonstration, let's take care of some housekeeping. First, let me mention that I have intentionally crippled the program for this demonstration so that we will be better able to observe things as they happen in real time. You may want to click the full screen button to see more detail. On our screen we have several things going on at the same time, so let's get oriented. On our left is a user computer that we are remotely logged into. As such, the video is a bit compromised, but I hope we will be able to get the idea. Next is the clean server, which is actually two applications. First is the DNS Engine. Its job is to translate the name of requested internet resources into a numeric IP address. Unlike ordinary DNS servers, ours will sometimes intentionally spoof the answer if the requested resource is blacklisted. This will cause the request of the blacklisted content to be directed to the clean server web engine, which we will cover next. As you can see, blacklisted resources will always start with the digit 0. I can reveal the real IP address by clicking on it and get responses from two separate real DNS servers. Second is the web engine. Its job is to receive the request from the user. If they are blacklisted, it will intentionally re-render or hijack the real content and substitute content on behalf of our advertisers. Also on board, we have a browser that is not using the clean server. We will use this for side-by-side comparisons. One last housekeeping note. I have selected some spam email that demonstrates some of the key features of clean server and placed them in a special folder. This was not to stage the demo, just to move things along more quickly. I have also used a web-based email program. The results would be the same if we use client software such as Microsoft Outlook. Now, let's get started. Here we are in our demo folder. Let's click on the first email. You may have noticed some activity on the web engine. You also notice that there's an ad in the actual email. Let's open the real browser and click on the same email to see what it would look like. As we can see, a portion of the content has been hijacked and replaced with another image. Our advertising sponsors submit images of specific sizes to us. When we encounter blacklisted content of that specific size, we render the sponsor's advertisement in place of the real image. The airline ticket email is interesting. It contains several images, yet none are of a specific size that is sponsored. In these cases, we simply render a colored rectangle. I'll enlarge it. If the rectangle is large enough, we insert a very short clip of text on behalf of our sponsors. This advertising is available on a rotating basis. If I click it again, different content will appear. The Replace Your Day Job is similar to one of the previous emails, but I've included it here to demonstrate what happens when a user actually clicks on one of the links. As you can see, instead of going to a potentially malicious or objectionable website, the clean server application intercepts the request and redirects it to one of our sponsors' websites. Sponsors participate on a rotating basis. If we click again, a different website will be displayed. There are many other technical details that we could talk about, but to keep this video brief, these will be covered in the What's Under the Hood video. Thanks for watching.